Sudhanshu Trivedi versus Ratnakar Tripathi. Sudhanshu Trivedi 360, 359. Your response? Zyada, kam, zyada, thoda zyada ya thoda kam?
Arnav, what your exit poll is showing and what most of the exit polls are showing, I think the direction is correct. But I am having a difference of opinion on the destination. I think the destination or the final tally of the BJP is going to be more than what is being projected in this exit poll. Because there is always a standard margin of error 3%. So if the 3% vote error is there, ये थोड़ा इको हो रहा है, ठीक
कोई बात नहीं, आप बोलते रहिए. कोई
10 to 12% seats get reflected. So if it is said that 10% or 12% seats go against us, then still out of 364 on the lower side we will be at 334. But if 3% goes to our side, then we will be 400. And what our presumption is, as I said, your exit poll is showing the direction correct, but we are hoping that our destination is going to be ahead than what is being told. And this is going to be a very clear, if it is correct, it is going to be a very clear confidence of the abilities of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, which is giving a global recognition. It is nothing but a support or confirmation of the Indian people in his policies and his leadership. And also to the policies. And one more thing I would like to देखिए, अब इलेक्शन ओवर हो गया, अब इलेक्शन वाली बातें हम लोग छोड़ दें. एक बहुत टेक्निकल मैं कहना चाहता हूं. During our childhood or in the younger age, we used to see the left parties used to say there are only two classes, the rich and the poor. But now the left analysts come on the television channel and they very categorically define this caste, this region, this religion. And left, which uses to say the religion is an opium, now they are openly joining hands with the Pirzada Abbas Siddiqui's party of the Furfura Sharif in Bengal. So I think the left has totally leftist ideology. On the contrary, the BJP is saying that we consider that the poor are there in every caste. So there is a rich and the poor caste. But the left is saying no. The rich and poor is not. They have left the bourgeois and other things and the proletariat. Now they move to caste. So left has moved to right and right has moved to left. And the left और कांग्रेस जो है left right करते हुए ना left के रह गए ना right के रह गए.
सबसे बड़ी बात यह है, सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, उदय मोहरकर, रमन, मनोज जी, पिछले 2 महीने में एक इंटेंस कैंपेन हुई थी. नहीं, बीजेपी इज इन ट्रबल, 250 पार नहीं होगी, 220 में रहेगी. हम लोग ग्राउंड पे गए, हमें फीडबैक मिला है, हमें लोग कह रहे हैं लोग खुश नहीं है, सब कुछ गड़बड़ है. व्हाट हैपेंड टू दैट? रमन मलिक, व्हाट हैपेंड टू दैट? ये कहां का कैंपेन था? रमन,
one has to understand, Triple R hit them, राशन, राम और रोड. Triple R hit them bad. They did not realize it.
राशन, राम एंड वोट.
सेकेंड, आवास और मिलिट्री की डेवलपमेंट. तो वो RRAM हो गया. वो राम इतना भारी पड़ गया इन पे कि इनका आराम निकल जाएगा 4 तारीख को. ये अभी दे आर गिविंग बिग स्टेटमेंट्स, बट प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, दे हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द माइंड ऑफ द पीपल. द माइंड ऑफ द पीपल इज माइटियर देन एनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी.
Yeah,
they are forgetting that.
Ratnakar Tripathi, you should work on the ground, and you are influenced by Dhruv Rathi and Dhruv Rathi and Yogendra Yadav. So if this Dhruv Rathi Yogendra Yadav combination has misled you. Yeah, please, sir. I'm saying that this narrative, see, you will have to concede, Ratnakar Tripathi, that if these numbers are true, if your numbers eventually are like this, then you will have to understand you've been misled by Dhruv Rathi, Yogendra Yadav, Jairam Ramesh, KC Venugopal, Supriya Srinath, whatever. I mean, and these are people who have no touch with the reality of this country. No, elections are not fought on Twitter.
Thanks for your duo's schooling to me. I am well schooled. I know what to say and what to do. I just want to say कि भाजपा, आप जो कह रहे थे ना सर, भाजपा के मुंह से गांधी की तरफ बस एक चीज निकलेगी. एग्जिट पोल आपका आया है ना, फाइनल पोल पे हे राम नहीं, राम विल हिट देम, हे राम, नथिंग एल्स. और सुधांशु जी, मैं आपसे एक बात कहना चाहूंगा.
बोलिए सुधांशु को बोलिए.
आपने मुझसे कहा कि 60 घंटे की मुस्कुराहट है, तो निश्चिंत रहिए. आप गीता को बांचते हैं, हम गीता को दिल में रखते हैं. सुखे दुखे समय कृत्वा लाभा लाभो जया जय. सुख में, दुख में, जय में, पराजय में, लाभ में और हानि में हम समान हैं। तो आपको तो मेरी मुस्कुराहट उस दिन भी दिखेगी जिस दिन मैं मरता रहूंगा, उस दिन भी दिखेगी जिस दिन सब चीज सही रहेगी। इसलिए आप उसके लिए निश्चिंत रहिए। रही बात जो आपने बताया, ठीक है, यू हैव द सिस्टम, यू कैन गो अबव 400, व्हाई नॉट, व्हाई नॉट, व्हाई ओनली 400 यू आर सेइंग, व्हाई 3% error? The standard error is 5% to 10%. I am a statistics student, graduate of statistics. And then I did my law and my master of computer applications. So I know many things very well, Sudhanshu ji. You can laugh on us, you can demean us, but one thing is there. Your MP Tejaswi Surya said it on the television to Arnav Goswami ji that the Modi ji is now rewriting the rules of the game. That is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
He is rewriting everything. And the public of the country will rewrite the future of BJP.
Sir, all this sir किताबी बातें.
You want to say that all the
ये किताबी बातें हैं.
ये किताबी बातें उन्होंने बोला.
आप
If you don't want to believe, don't.
That is what he's saying.
उदय दादा intervening.
All the
उदय दादा.
existing polls are wrong.
उदय दादा 1 minute. उदय दादा. Yeah. What
Yeah,
did
I'm
you say?
saying so.
That is what you are saying indirectly.
Uday Dada in the
haven't encountered
One minute.
What you are saying indirectly, without saying in so many words.
Actually, let me tell you one thing.
Basically, Arnab, this is a vote for Modi's good governance, his performance.
If the words were for you,
his
sir.
performance on national security. Mind you, this is the first election after a removal of 370. So there was a section of the media who projected this in a manner where many people got misled.
You see, yeah,
The truth was never was the same.
yeah.
The date is first June.
And thirdly,
Yeah,
the way
we
many people are questioning
he is debating
Mr.
like that is
Modi's
fourth.
Modi's plank on Hindu-Muslim issue.
No.
That is proved correct.